Alright, fellas, this is the table. I just said I was gonna make a picture of it, but instead of the picture, I decided to make a little quick video of it so I can show it on how awesome it is and how well steady it is. It's a very nice table, as you can see. It's very strong and steady. Yeah, I got my utensils in here, my cooking oil, and these are the hooks so you can hook up like utensils or whatever you like the top table. I'm going to use it for my food prep, and for the bottoms I'm going to be using it to put like my pot lids and all that other good stuff in. If you notice, like on the picture on Amazon, it actually looks like it's black, but it's not black. It's actually like dark brown, which I quite for sure that you can see it on my phone. Like, it's actually brown. I thought it was black myself, but I'm kind of glad I got it because it's nice and it's awesome. I like it, and I'm using it for a room. So basically, if I'm using it for a room, that you already know, it's a perfect size for anybody's room or a small kitchen or whatever. But it's a nice, good table, and I like it. It only took like 30 minutes to put together. All right, and that's the table.
And the little tool that they gave you, you can adjust it to your liking, but basically we put it in the middle. Sorry, it's a little blurry. But it was super, super easy. People that don't know how to build things, I mean, you can pretty much do it. And there are hooks that comes with. You can put the hooks on the side but we didn't put the hooks. I think too, maybe a third person, because my 10-year-old was holding one side and then we were screwing on the other sides. So that might help, but yeah, super easy, super cute. It's not that tall. My couch is not an average size, but it's not that tall. I don't know how tall it is, but I'm sure the measurements are in there.